Hi and welcome. I am Jo from Textile Crafts and this is my octopus for my octopus project. This is the first page for my Under the Sea embroidery book. Now I have decided to do an Australian octopus, which is the blue ringed octopus. So at the moment I'm just doing running stitch. I'm trying to fill in some details, and here I'm going to put beads, but I want to be able, a blue ringed octopus is yellow with little blue, royal blue and black spots. So I will end up colouring in the entire thing eventually. I'm going to have gold beads for his suckers. So I hope you enjoy watching me create. When I'm creating, I'm concentrating and I don't really talk as often as I should. So if I get too carried away and I miss the ending, please give this video a like and a subscribe. And hit the all notification bell if you'd like to see all of my updates as they become available. Uploaded videos. So I'm just going to color in could have finished this bit here off. So if you're not familiar, this is what a blue ringed octopus looks like and how small it is. These things are so tiny, but they are the most venomous octopus in the world. So when I see tourists coming to Australia and finding them in the beach and then picking them up, oh my god, everyone cringes. They will bite you if they feel threatened, and that's where the venom is, in their beak. So, but they are so cute and so very, very tiny. Everything here is out to kill ya in Australia. I've only seen the blue ring octopus in displays when I was a child with the rangers. The rangers had some pet ones and would come out and show you how big they are and what they look like, and just warn the kids, if you ever see one at the beach, do not pick it up because this thing will kill you. And yeah, I've never actually seen one in person in the wild, but every now and then you'll see a tourist find one and they got them in the palms of their hands, and it's like, mate, be careful. Oh, look how beautiful he is. If it's pretty, it's dangerous. Fun and games. I'm just trying to fill it in so when I do put the beads on, it's going to look better. This is pretty much the color of them, this yellow. I've got black fingers now, black fingertippies, because I was naughty and I didn't put gloves on to turn my yarn in the pan, and I got some dye on me. It's taking a very long time to soak up this black dye. It's because it's cooler today, it's not a hot day. I don't normally like to dye on cool days because it takes so much longer to dye anything. Do you go back over that to fill in these gaps? Yeah, I'm tired. Zoning out. Didn't sleep very well last night. So tired today. It took me a whole day to edit a 3-hour live video.